In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an email address on LinkedIn. Whether you want to update your contact information or simply add a backup email for security, this is a straightforward process. So let's get started. Firstly, make sure you're logged into your LinkedIn account. Head over to your LinkedIn homepage. Once you're on your dashboard, you'll want to direct your attention to the top of the page where your profile icon or dummy icon is located. Click on that icon and a drop-down menu will appear. From the options provided, select Settings and Privacy. This is where you'll manage all your account-related settings. After clicking Settings and Privacy, you'll be taken to a new page. Look for the section labeled Login and Security. This section is crucial for managing your account's security and contact information. Click on it and you'll see various options related to your account's login details. Within Login and Security, find and click on Email Addresses. This is where you can view your current email addresses associated with your LinkedIn account. To add a new email address, click on the Add Email Address option. A field will appear where you can input the new email address you wish to add. Enter your new email address into the provided field. After you've done that, you'll need to type in your LinkedIn password to verify your identity. This step is important because it confirms that you're authorized to make changes to your account. Once you've entered your password, click the Submit button. Next, check your inbox for an email from LinkedIn containing a 6-digit code. This code is part of LinkedIn's verification process, ensuring that you genuinely want to add this new email address. Enter the 6-digit verification code into the required field on LinkedIn. You'll also need to resend a verification link to the secondary email address that you just added. This additional step confirms that you have access to this email account and ensures an extra layer of security. Follow the instructions in the email and complete the verification process. And there you have it. Once you've completed all the verification steps, the new email will now be added as a secondary email on your LinkedIn account. It's as simple as that. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button. Feel free to subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials, and be sure to click the bell icon so you won't miss any of our new uploads. Thanks for watching and have a great day.